Well, there are going to be a lot of jobs. For one thing, our environmental health students are being trained in a way they will learn what they need to learn to be able to go to work in entry-level positions in local health departments, in state departments of public health. They'll also learn what they need to learn to be able to perhaps get jobs in environmental health or environmental services units of manufacturing facilities or large institutional organizations like universities and hospitals. They might learn, they'll learn enough so they might be able to get jobs as aides to legislators, or they might be able to work in nonprofit organizations that are advocating for environmental health. They might be able to work for organizations that put out publications where they would write the sections of the publication about environmental health to help the public get a better understanding of how they need to live and what needs to change. So there are a lot of different jobs, and just in the government, those who are employed in those jobs now are about my age, and they're ready to retire soon, as I am. And we need to have a whole new workforce that's properly educated to replace them. And this is the perfect time for students who study environmental health to be able to go out and get jobs, to take those jobs. And from starting in local public health departments, you'll get the background and the understanding that allows you to then climb up the ladder and work in other places, eventually maybe work for the EPA or the federal government or larger consulting firms.
We need new, engaged, excited students who have good critical thinking skills, strong science. They're good writers and researchers and good speakers so that they can become the change agents, whether they move into industry, whether they move into a government position or teaching or the nonprofit sector. They can be agents of change. They can be the ones who create the conditions, the policies, the research, the new products that really do prevent harm rather than just doing a little less bad.